Well, let's talk about that. So longevity risk is a key. Buying a guaranteed lifetime income annuity to cover the basic needs and expenses. But you also have Social Security in there as a form of guaranteed lifetime income for people. You see these seminars 4 a week. There's 4 a week at the library right down the street from my office here in Mesa. Just, Tom, you're an economist. What's the most important thing people need to understand about Social Security? You see people all the time saying, well, I'm going to take it right at 62 because the government's going broke and I'm worried I'm not going to get my benefit.
Yeah.
Is that the right answer? Or, I know everybody's situation is different. They have to work with a professional to find out how to maximize. But what would you say about Social Security maximization?
Yeah, it's pretty simple. The breadwinner should delay. So let's say you have a husband and wife. Mm-hmm. If the husband made more money than the wife, if the wife wants to take hers early, I got no problem with that. But the husband or the breadwinner, whoever that is, should wait till 66 or 70 because that check covers both lives. And if he takes that check early, he locked her into a lower survivor benefit. So I don't care if he thinks he's going to die. It doesn't matter. That check goes to whoever lives the longest. And so the breadwinner should delay as long as possible, okay? The lower earning spouse can claim early if they want. That way they're getting in some income. And what I teach financial advisors is to build a bridge. Show the client, okay, if you took your Social Security, let's say they take it early, for every $1,000 that they should take at 66, if they take it at 62, it's only $750. But if they wait till age 70, it's $1,320. So what we do is we build them a bridge. We give them income from 62 to 70 with another product. You can use a mutual fund, you can use an annuity, you can use a CD, whatever you want. But give them that income from 62 to 70 from another source. And then their Social Security kicks in at age 70 with the highest amount. And that will pay them as long as either one of them is alive. So that helps protect against longevity because what is Social Security? It's a lifetime income annuity. So when people say they don't like annuities, I say, well, then you got to cancel your Social Security check because you can't tell me you don't like annuities and take your Social Security because that's an annuity.
Right.
A pension is an annuity. So if you really hate annuities, you got to cancel your pension. You got to cancel your Social Security. And they go, whoa, whoa, whoa. We like those annuities. It's just those insurance company annuities we don't like, Then we get into that discussion.
What do people have to be careful of taking their advice from the talking heads? I mean, even a video like this, the radio personalities, like what do people need to be careful of when they're hearing this over and over again on the radio and TV?
I tell everybody you got to do your due diligence. When I wrote my book, I say, look, I'm going to lay out the math and science, but I encourage you to do your due diligence. You'll confirm everything I've already done. You can read all the white papers. I sourced it all. So it's all right there. They can read everything with their own 2 eyes and they'll find out everything I put in there was correct. It's based in math and science, but you got to do your due diligence. And
you've put those resources in your book, Towers Watson. You've put the white papers that nobody sees.
David Babbel, Robert C. Merton, Nobel Prize winner, Dr. Michael Finke, Dr. Wade Pfau, the American College, Jamie Hopkins, Forbes magazine. I mean, there's a lot of great resources there that, again, I'm not making it up. It's all math and science. So it's very clear when you do your real research and cut through all the bull crap that, there is an optimal way to do it.
Yeah. Yeah, it makes sense. And the Retirement Research Foundation, we have nothing against these talking heads, but I think that what is concerning is, it's like there's people that are great marketers, maybe not educators, but marketers. There's, being on TV, like you said, every 5 minutes, that's going to do something to a consumer who's watching that over and over and over again. And they may be brilliant marketers, but I always look to the economists and the people who aren't selling anything for the true advice on, what you should do to retire and if an annuity could be a suitable piece of a portfolio or not.
Yeah. And again, I don't sell any financial products whatsoever. I don't care if people buy them or not, but all the research shows that they should. And, the thing is, I'm not against stocks. I have money in the stock market. I'm not against real estate. Real estate fits into everything that I've talked about, but in the right position. You shouldn't have all your money in stocks. You shouldn't have all your money in real estate, and you shouldn't have all your money in annuities or life insurance either. And it's all about how do you put the pieces of the puzzle in the best order to get the most for the least.